What's up, guys? This is Pepe Figueroa from howtogolive.com. It's a pleasure to have you here, and today I want to talk about how you can add music background to your live streaming using StreamYard without software. You don't need to know about voice meter or whatever. It's an easy way. It's not for everyone. It's not perfect, but come with me and let's do this. Alright, so let's talk about how you can add background music to your live stream using StreamYard without software. It's a really unique way to do it. I'm gonna show you how. You're gonna need to download a little piece of code that I did. I'm gonna explain you everything. So first, I'm gonna show how you can do it, and on the second part of this video, I'm gonna talk about how you can edit, how you can get that little piece of code and bring your own music, even like change little things. So let's do this. Let's go to my screen here, and now you can see that I'm recording this using StreamYard. And what I'm gonna do right now, I'm just gonna open this little code. It's a HTML code. Okay, so let me go over here. Let me go to my downloads, and then I have a little folder here. Then you can see that I have two files inside the folder. Okay, I have the index.html. That's the code. That's the page that you're gonna open inside your Chrome tab, inside your Chrome software. And then you have the freestyle.mp3. That's a song. So this is a free song, like it's a copyright totally free. I made it, so you can use it if you want. So let me double click here, and now you can see that I have the song inside Chrome, and I have this little interface, let's say like that. So you can play the song here. You have the volume here, so you can bring it down. You can put on whatever you want the volume up and down. You can see here they have 1 minute and 45 seconds. Let me see one more. This file will loop. So it's really ideal for you to have the background music, so it's gonna loop during your entire live stream. And you have two different buttons here. So you have set the value to 10%, so it's gonna bring the value really down, and you have set to 100%. Okay, so here I'm saying that the music is totally royalty-free song, so you can use it if you want. And here I'm saying just this is a 1.2 version, because I started this like a year ago using just for me, and then because I sent it to some friends, they told me, oh, try to do this and that, and for sure I can bring new updates. If you want, just leave your comment down below. But let me show you how you're gonna use this. So you're gonna go to your StreamYard, you go to share, you're gonna share your screen. Sharing your screen, you go to the third option. You have share your entire screen, share the application window, or share a Chrome tab. So I want you to go to Chrome tab. Then you're gonna choose index.html, that file that you're gonna download from my website. And then don't forget the button here to click on share audio. This is really important, because what you want to do is to share the audio with inside your live stream. So let's share this. I'm sharing right now. So if I go back here to my StreamYard, you see the share screen. This here is not yet added to the stream, because you have this option inside StreamYard. Let me show you. Maybe you don't know about this, but you have this option here inside settings general that automatically add share screens videos to the stream. So I have this unchecked because I don't want that to go straight to the stream. So what happened is, when I add something, it just comes down here as a camera, so I can add in whatever point I want. So right now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add it, but one big trick, I'm gonna add this, but I'm gonna solo myself. So right now I'm sharing my screen. Okay, I'm sharing the song. It's not playing yet because I need to play. I need to go to that tab and hit play. But right now it's hidden. Like nobody can see it. Nobody gonna know that you're using this way to play songs, to have this kind of music in the background. So right now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna hit 10% because I want to be really low, and I'm gonna play the song. So right now the song is playing, so you can hear, I think so. So you're gonna hear the song is gonna play in loop all the time. So this is the way that you're gonna use this little code, this HTML code. Really easy for you to understand that. Just hit play, just put it, share your screen, hide it if you want it. If you don't want to hide it, don't hide it, but I think the good idea for you to hide so you can do whatever you want. Like I said, it's not a perfect way to do. If you like to share screen, other stuff, you know, like you like your screen, your PowerPoint or whatever you're doing, this is not gonna be the perfect way to do it. But in my case, I don't share screen I don't share my screen that often, so this is the way that I share, just with the song, just with the music, to have it as a background music, and work really perfect. Like I said, this was a way that I made for me, and I'm sharing right now with you guys. So if you want, just go to my website, howtogolive.com, and download it, and just do whatever I'm doing here, I'm showing you. And now what I'm gonna show you, it's the code and how you can change the music and how you can change little things. It's pretty easy, but I'm gonna show you two different ways you can do that. So the first way you can do that, you can go straight to the folder that you're gonna download. So you see here the folder, you have the index.html, and then you have here the freestyle.mp3. So that's the song that the file is gonna look for. So what you can do, you can take this song and just rename it to whatever you want, and bring another song to this same folder and put the name freestyle.mp3. Need to be an mp3 file, okay, but need to have that name, freestyle. So that's one way for you to change the music and play whatever song you want, okay? So this is the easiest way to do. But I have another way for you to do this way, another way to do it. It's gonna be a little bit more complicated, but for sure you can do it. So let me show you my second camera here, or my computer. So right now I'm inside my second computer here. Let me bring myself over here. That's good. And on this computer here, I have, you can see my website, and you can see the code, the index.html, and the code. The first thing you have on this line here is the song. So what you can do, you can just open the code with the software from your computer. So in this case, I'm using BB Edit. I'm using a Mac right now, but you have different softwares. So you can use the text app if you want, but this is a more professional one, so I can see exactly the code, where it's going, all the blue and the colors that show exactly, so you don't do nothing wrong, okay? But what you can do here, you just can go here to this particular song here that's saying freestyle, and just change the name. So whatever song you put on that folder, the audio loop folder, you can change the name of the song that you want to play there, and then it's gonna go and find that song inside that folder. The only thing you need to know is that you need to have that song inside the folder, because the structure, I think I'm saying right, is saying here that it's for look the file that is next, let's say on the same folder, in the same folder of this file index.html. Okay, so just change the name, and that's one of the way that you can have a different song playing. In the future, if you want, if you like this way that I'm doing things here, I can like make a new update. I can try to like make a playlist, or even try to bring a XML, so you have the playlist on the XML file, and then direct the index to go to that XML and just load the playlist. So you're gonna have different songs playing during your live stream. Maybe you have like an hour, 2 hours live broadcast, so you can have different songs playing in the background. So that's kind of ideas. So if you want to give me your idea, for sure, it would be really nice. Put your comment below. I would love to hear about what you want me to do, what you want me to create. If you like, if this way is gonna work for you, because it's not perfect for sure, but I think it's gonna help a lot of people. Was helping me a lot. Now I have different gears here, so I have an audio mixer, I have an A10 mini, I have other stuff, so I'm not using this way no more. But because a lot of people from Brazil was saying, hey, I love this way you're doing, why you don't share with people? I say, okay, let me do this. I have the website, I have howtogolive.com. I can put it there for free, so you guys can use it. So I really I hope that you guys enjoyed this way to like add music to your live stream. Let me show you more little things to the end here, just like to end this video, because you know I have a lot of different presets, different GIFs, animations on howtogolive.com. I want to show you some things that are coming, and I think going to be really interesting for you. The last one I put it was about, let me show you here, was about some animation. So I did this confetti. I have this one too, so kind of cool. Don't have a sound, but I think it's pretty good. Pretty cool, pretty nice. And I have some emojis. The emojis that are really nice too. You have 3 different positions and 5 different emojis. So you can choose. They have the LOL, I have the love one, I have the sad one, and the LOL in the other position. Oh, I'm sorry. This way here. So and the other thing that is coming, this is not yet on the website, but I'm gonna do some flags. So this is the American flag on the right side. I think it's really cool, depending on what you're doing, you know, like I think you're gonna like. And the other thing that I'm trying to do, I think this is too much, but it's some kind of frames. So I'm trying to create different frames that you can use as an overlay. So a lot of things are coming to our little store, like say like that, and I think you're gonna love it. The other thing I'm trying to do, let me see if I can show you. I think yes, if I take me out of solo and I bring a different preset here, maybe this one. Now let me put this one. I just want to show you that now I'm doing some background, so animated background. So this is going to be great too. I think it's really going to be really nice. You need to use it with moderation. It's not a kind of thing that you want to use too much, because I think sometimes can be too distracted for your viewer, and plus more movement, more motion you have on your stream, more bandwidth you're going to use. So use that with some kind of moderation, okay? So this is coming. You can see here I have different ones. I'm trying to see which one I'm gonna use, because I did a bunch of them, so I was just trying to see what I could do, you know. So I'm doing a lot of them, different colors, different ways. So yes, these are gonna be huge. I think it's gonna be really nice. I have this one that I really enjoyed. This one is for people that do some kind of sports. I think it's really good to have a background interview with 2-3 people and have this kind of background. Is kind of cool. You cannot see it really good because right now I'm using the song as a background at the same time, but I think you can see what I wanna show. You can see a little bit, but I will do another video just talking about my backgrounds and all of that. Alright guys, let me finish this video. Let me put myself in solo here, and was a really pleasure to have you here. I hope you enjoy everything that I'm putting out with my howtogolive.com. Everything is for free. The way and the why I'm doing this is because, you know, I want to try to put myself so people can see better what I can do. I'm controlling a lot of live streams with StreamYard, with Ecamm Live, doing a lot of webinars with Zoom, Google Meeting. So I'm a video engineer. I do this. This is my job, and the How to Go Live is just a little bit, a little more that I'm trying to do to put myself out there so people can see and can hire me to do other kind of service. So it's a pleasure. If you need something, just, you know, like put your comment below, send me an email, or put my email, everything down below. Go to my howtogolive.com website, and from there you can reach me on Facebook, on Instagram, and all the social media. So please comment below and tell me what you think, and see you on the next video. So bye bye. Woo. All right, guys, let's do this. Okay, so let's talk about how you can add music background to your stream for your. All right, so let's talk about how you can add music to your music background.